Are you thinking of migrating to Salesforce Service Cloud? You feel overwhelmed by the prospect of data migration. Well, fear not. Migration Wizard can help make your data import to Salesforce Service Cloud a breeze. Our automated service effortlessly transfers data from popular help desks, service desks, CSV files, or databases to Salesforce Service Cloud. You can even merge two Salesforce Service Cloud accounts to consolidate all customer data in one central location. Just connect your source and target platforms and enjoy a stress-free migration process. Our comprehensive migration tool offers advanced features like user matching, ticket and article field mapping, so you can rest assured that cases are assigned to the right user. Default and custom fields are migrated accurately. Articles preserve the same status field. Plus, you can customize your migration settings with automated options. If you have large files that you prefer to leave behind, simply skip attachments to speed your migration. Want to keep your tickets call recordings for future reference? Move them as conversation attachments. Have a multilingual help center. Migrate content translations to support customers worldwide. Expert tip: use the custom migration option and handpick up to 20 cases and 20 solutions with many attachments, so you can see how the Migration Wizard works. Planning matters a lot. Choose the most suitable time and schedule your import. Need to make changes and remigrate your data? Our service supports that too. Want to pause and resume your migration? Go for interval migration. Or leverage Delta migration to import only new and updated records. Click Get It Now today and unlock the power of a seamless migration to Salesforce Service Cloud.